Ready to trade crypto like a pro on your Mac using Photon? Let's dive into how to set it up and start trading in less than 2 minutes. First, head over to the official Photon trading website. Make sure you're on the legitimate site to avoid any security risks. Look for the download link, specifically for macOS. Click it and wait for the DMG file to download. Once the download is complete, open your downloads folder. You should see the Photon DMG file there. Double-click it to begin the installation process. A window will pop up. Simply drag the Photon icon into the Applications folder. Shortcut: this installs Photon onto your Mac. Now, open your Applications folder, find the Photon app and double-click it to launch. You might see a security prompt asking if you're sure you want to open the application. Click Open to proceed. Next, Photon will prompt you to connect your wallet. Follow the instructions to securely link your preferred crypto wallet to Photon. This is essential for executing trades. Familiarize yourself with the Photon interface, explore the charting tools, order entry options, and other features. Take your time to understand the layout before placing any trades. And that's it. You're now ready to start trading with Photon on your Mac. Remember to always trade responsibly and do your research before making any investment decisions. Good luck.